Adelaide researchers have made a major breakthrough in cancer detection. They're well on the way to developing a simple breath test for throat cancer, which is often deadly but rarely has symptoms.
A toast to good health, and one that Graham Hall feels privileged to make.
I'm very lucky.
14 years ago, a cancerous tumour was found in his esophagus with barely any warning.
Well, it stops you in your tracks at the time, and you think of all the usual things, you know, your family and whatever and what if.
His cancer was diagnosed and successfully treated just in time. But researchers at the University of South Australia are developing a breath test that could detect the disease sooner.
It really is cutting-edge technology.
By growing esophageal cancer cells in the lab, researchers have discovered a unique enzyme that's only present in this type of cancer. They've developed a probe which targets this enzyme. That probe releases gas signals that can be detected by the breath test.
It's non-invasive, it's simple tests that could really become a precursor test for a whole lot of other more invasive procedures.
Only 1,450 Australians are diagnosed with esophageal cancer each year, but if detected early enough, survival rates can be as high as 95%.
Normally we rely upon symptoms now, and those symptoms don't manifest themselves until some way down the track. But an early breath test would be an enormous advantage.
Clinical studies are expected to begin in the next few years.
We're hoping that the breath tests that we're developing can be applied across a whole range of different cancers later down the track.
But until that happens, Graham has this advice.
Get onto it early because it may just save your life.
Jessica Stanley, 9 News.